Welcome back to Cliff's Tech. Today, we're following an incredible project as a couple transforms an ordinary van into a comfortable home on wheels. It's the kind of makeover that makes most of us look at our own homes and wonder if we've been using space efficiently at all. The adventure begins with stripping out the old interior. Everything that no longer serves a purpose is removed, creating a blank canvas for the build ahead. Before moving forward, rust protection is carefully applied to safeguard the van from future wear and tear. Next comes insulation, one of the most important upgrades in any camper conversion, installed throughout the van. It helps regulate temperature during both hot summers and chilly nights, while also reducing outside noise. The result is a quieter, more comfortable living space that feels less like a vehicle and more like a tiny apartment on wheels. It may not be the most glamorous part of the project, but it's the difference between a home that lasts for years and one that starts complaining before the road trip even begins. Electrical conduits are carefully routed through the van, laying the groundwork for lighting, outlets, and future appliances. Roof windows are added shortly afterward, flooding the interior with natural light and improving airflow. Ceiling panels follow, requiring precise measuring, cutting, and installation. Their addition immediately makes the interior feel warmer and more inviting. Side windows are then fitted, bringing in even more daylight and helping the compact space feel surprisingly open. Openings for vents and utilities are drilled, while ceiling lights are installed to ensure the van remains bright long after sunset. Attention then shifts to the bathroom area. A shower tray is constructed with proper drainage in mind, followed by the creation of a raised platform to support it securely. Insulation and waterproofing measures are added to ensure the shower remains durable and resistant to moisture for years to come. Once installed, wall panels are carefully cut and fitted around the shower enclosure. With the bathroom taking shape, laminate flooring is laid throughout the van. The flooring not only provides durability, but also gives the interior a polished, home-like appearance. Every section is carefully aligned to create a clean, seamless finish. Storage solutions are built around the wheel arches using custom wooden boxes, transforming awkward spaces into practical compartments. After assembly, the cabinets receive a fresh coat of white paint, giving the area a bright and modern look. Handles are added as the finishing touch, combining practicality with style. Finally, the wall paneling is completed, bringing warmth and character to the interior. In a clever example of resourcefulness, reclaimed wooden beams are transformed into a movable bed frame, proving that creativity can be just as valuable as expensive materials. As the van conversion moves into its next phase, the level of craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. The builders begin by modifying metal rails to create a smooth sliding system for the bed. Custom aluminum profiles are carefully designed and fitted, allowing the bed frame to adjust effortlessly while maximizing the limited space. It's the kind of engineering that makes you wonder why your furniture at home isn't this clever. Attention then shifts upward as the roof rack takes shape. Built from sturdy aluminum profiles, the structure is both lightweight and strong enough to handle the demands of life on the road. 3 large solar panels are mounted on top, transforming the van into a self-sufficient adventure machine capable of generating plenty of power wherever it travels. But the roof offers more than just electricity. One of the most exciting features is a spacious rooftop terrace. Whether it's for enjoying a sunrise coffee or watching the stars at night, this elevated outdoor space turns the van into a tiny mobile penthouse. Back inside, work continues on the remaining walls. Additional insulation is installed throughout the camper, helping maintain comfortable temperatures while reducing outside noise. This thoughtful upgrade ensures the van remains cozy whether parked beside a peaceful lake or at a busy campsite. The cabinet building stage showcases remarkable patience and precision. Panels are carefully measured, cut, and assembled using wooden supports to create strong, practical storage units. Every component is fitted with great attention to detail, ensuring the cabinets integrate perfectly into the compact interior. Once completed, they provide valuable storage while making the living area feel more organized and homelike. The kitchen area soon begins to take shape. A countertop is installed over the sink cabinet, creating a practical workspace for cooking and daily tasks. After assembly comes the finishing work. Sanding, painting, and fine adjustments give the cabinetry a polished appearance. The result is both functional and attractive, proving that even a small van kitchen can look professionally designed. Openings are drilled for hinges and shelving, and cabinet doors are mounted to provide easy access to storage compartments. The sink is then fitted, bringing the plumbing system one step closer to completion. What stands out most is the attention to detail. From smart storage solutions to stylish finishes, every decision reflects careful planning and craftsmanship. Despite the progress, there is still plenty of woodworking ahead. Modifications to the bed frame are made to accommodate the water tank, demonstrating the builder's ability to solve problems as they arise. Wall panels are reinforced and aligned with great care to create clean, seamless surfaces throughout the interior. Meanwhile, tables and worktops receive protective waterproof treatments, ensuring they can withstand years of everyday use. Decorative details are not overlooked either. Entryway trims receive carefully applied finishes to maintain a consistent look throughout the van. The builder's commitment to quality is evident in every corner. The shower area also receives special attention. Elegant finishing touches, including a striking golden accent on the shampoo shelf, elevate the space beyond simple functionality. Waterproof coatings, clear lacquers, and carefully sealed joints help protect every surface from moisture. As the project nears completion, the water system is thoroughly tested to ensure there are no leaks and that everything operates as intended. Final adjustments, touch-ups, and sealants are applied with incredible care. Throughout the build, the couple demonstrates outstanding creativity, patience, and problem-solving skills. Transforming a plain van into a stylish, fully functional home on wheels is no small task, yet they make it look almost easy, though their toolbox probably has a different opinion. As the project reaches its final stages, the focus shifts to the small details that make a big difference. Screws are carefully hidden, surfaces are refined, and every corner is given extra attention to create a clean, professional finish. Custom-made fittings and thoughtful additions showcase both skill and ingenuity. Each upgrade improves the van's functionality while making the interior feel more polished and inviting. The transformation is remarkable. What was once an ordinary vehicle now feels like a genuine home. The finishing touches bring the entire project together. Soft furnishings, decorative accents, and personal touches add warmth and character to the compact living space. Hidden LED lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. Every item is selected with purpose, creating an environment that feels comfortable, practical, and uniquely their own. In the end, this van conversion is far more than a renovation project. It is a reflection of the owner's lifestyle, creativity, and determination. The result is a beautiful mobile home where every road leads back to comfort, and where finding a parking spot may be harder than building the van itself.